Welcome, nice to see you again. In this opportunity, I am here to read a fragment about history of the periodic table because I love chemistry and I want to share something about it. Well, let's get started. The periodic table is for many the symbol of chemistry. It uses a single image that contains all of the known elements in the universe combined into an easily readable table. There are many patterns present in a table as well. All of the elements seem to fit together and connect to form a readable table, and in turn the image of chemistry. The idea of element first came about it in 3000 before Christ. The great Greek philosopher Aristotle conceived an idea that everything of the earth was made up of these elements. In ancient times, elements like gold and silver were readily accessible. However, the elements that Aristotle chose were earth, water, fire, and air. In 1649, the idea of elements took a huge step when Henry Brandt was the first to discover a new element, phosphorus. Brandt was an alchemist in search of the philosopher's stone, or an object that would turn any ordinary metals into gold. In this search, he tried everything, including distilling human urine. When that experiment was carried out, Brandt found a glowing white rock. This was the element he would call phosphorus. The alchemists and scientists of the Enlightenment period added incredible amounts of knowledge to the idea about elements. In 1869, there were already 63 elements that had been discovered. With each new element that was found, scientists began to realize that there were patterns developing, and some started to put the elements into a table. Scientists like John Newland and Alexander Emile Beguier de Charcortius formed their own version of periodic tables. These versions were relatively simple though, and were also somewhat obscure and hard to read. The scientist who brought it all together was Dmitry Mendeleev, 1834 to 1907. Mendeleev was a Russian-born chemist and the first to publish a modern version of the periodic table. His table ordered the elements by atomic weights, molar masses. When the elements were ordered by their atomic weights, they exhibited similar chemical properties. The table that Mendeleev compiled was so good that he was able to predict elements that were not even known to him at the time. These elements included germanium, gallium, and scandium. Well, I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. And it's the end. Thank you very much. Bye bye.